Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Do you ever feel bored on your day off or spend time? So if you feel bored, you can just play with your Instagram account. Make your Instagram more interactive by creating this content and let your follower or your friend asking for any information to be answered by you. So you just need to open the Instagram application, swipe into the right side, and then you just need to pick the background photos. You can add whatever background that you have on your picture or your gallery. And now if you want people or your follower or Instagram friend asking you some questions and you want to answer them, you just need to take a look on the top side and click this side. Now you just need to tap into this question option. Now you can just tap the title like ask anything relate to me, and then you just need to go click done. Place these questions into the specific area. Make sure you not make them like too small to make your follower easier to read them. Now you just need to go click add your story, and then you just need to wait until your friends asking you something by tapping into this column. And whenever someone asking you, you will be like have the notifications about the questions into your DM, so you just need to open it later on. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.